Y'all, before I start this video, I just want to say this is how the wig came. It's a ready to wear wig. It comes with curls in it, but I didn't like this install, so I did it again. So here it goes. Nah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalia Janae, period, aka Yummy. It's Yum Yum. Y'all, oh my god, it's been so long since I've posted a video. And don't talk about what this wig is looking like right now. I just threw this wig on, but y'all, I've done this video I think like 7 or 8 times. Let me relax. Maybe because I be so hyped when I'm doing the video. But I cannot get my baby hairs how I want them to be. And my installs are not my installs if my baby hairs is not correct. So, you know, your girl got to keep giving. I want to give you guys the best. So, that's what I'm going to do. This is a wig from Westkiss Hair Company. And it is a frontal. And it's giving the skunk vibes, as you guys can see. Period. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Y'all, excuse my nails. I only got one nail on. It's taking so long to come off. I've been trying everything to get it to come off, but be patient with me, y'all, because but anyways, let's just get into this video. Period.
So right now she's applying the makeup onto the wig cap. So right now, guys, she's currently applying some active bold hold glue, and this glue is amazing, man. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. It makes the lace stick perfectly. It holds the wig down. Amazing, man. That's a great product.
Period.
Shout out to Sweetie.
Sweetie.
Okay, now she's currently pulling her wig down to lock it in into the correct spot, you know. Okay, these are the baby hairs she's touching, you know. You look at the baby hairs, they look pretty good. Who don't love baby hairs? Everybody love baby hairs. So look, now she's lining up those right now. Give her some time. Okay, she's now pulling the wig down so she can apply it in the right spot once again. Okay. So this is the enhancing process right here, you guys. She's currently pulling some of the extra lace hairs down so she can glue it with the other lace hairs to make sure everything's perfect and glued in the correct way. Now she's taking this rope thing. It look like she's gonna put it on her head to tie her hair down. I don't know right now. But this actually is the melting process of this hairstyle. So she's actually melting the lace. So let's see how this goes.
If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out.
Right now, you guys, she's currently using some setting spray to set her hair into place. So let's follow with this process. Should be a great process. Alright, she got her hot comb going. That bitch steam too. That's a hot comb actually, so be careful as you guys use those. If you're currently going to use one in the process of laying your lace down, please be careful. Please be careful.
Special till I made you so. You better act like you know.
And now that she's done hot combing the hair, she's currently pressing it out with the flat iron. And as you can tell, this is some great westkiss hair. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. It's nice, silky, and smooth. You can look at the texture and just look how she's combing the hair so smooth. So westkiss, you most definitely did a great job.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again.
Alright, now you guys, as you can see, she just got finished doing the flat ironing process of pressing her hair out. And the hair came out very great to me, actually. The hair is very silky and smooth. Also moving, very vibrant, very wavy. Alright, as you can see, she's putting makeup into the part so it can blend. When you put the makeup into the part, that gives the option of the lace in the middle of the head to blend the correct way, blend well.
I don't need you, I don't.
Right here, she's currently giving you a preview of the baby hairs. She was telling me she cut it out the video because it was kind of giving her a hassle, but you can really get the gist of what's going on. So she's applying what she needs to apply so the baby hairs can come out the correct way. Big facts. As you can see, man, my girl just slayed, man. She just did her thing. She's so beautiful. You can't tell me she's not beautiful. Most definitely, she just did her job on this hair, this product. You feel me? Babe, you did good, though. You did outstanding. Can't nobody play with you, real talk. Make sure you guys go book with her at Natalia Janae Stylist, the best in the city right now. She's most definitely doing her thing on the collabs. Shout out to westkiss on the collab with this product. That was an amazing collab, and we're looking forward to more.
Period.
Hey, what's up, everyone?